Welcome to our new KUNOMAIL tutorial. We're so glad you're back. In this video, we'll show you a new feature that lets you easily insert and position images in your emails. Enjoy a short, clear tutorial that will guide you through the new process step by step. Here's an example of a particularly beautiful and personal email, designed with small pictures and stickers that express feelings and make messages even more heartfelt. With the new KUNOMAIL update, you too can easily add such loving touches to your emails, whether for family, friends, or special occasions. With just a few clicks, you can enhance your messages and bring a smile to every inbox. To insert an image or sticker into your email, first open the Compose Email dialog as usual. Then switch to the Templates, Images, and More tab. There, you can select a folder containing your personal images or stickers. This way, you'll have your favorite images readily available and can start designing right away. Once you've opened your folder, select an image or sticker to insert into your email. Clicking on the desired image will open the Import dialog. Here, you can adjust the image size and choose its placement within your email. In our example, we've placed the image or sticker in the bottom right corner of the email. This adds a lovely and harmonious touch to your message, perfectly tailored to your taste. The image or sticker has now been inserted in the bottom right corner of your email. To adjust the size, simply click and hold the bottom right corner of the image and drag it to make it larger or smaller. You can repeat this process as often as you like, with as many images or stickers as you like. This way you can customize your email step by step to your liking. Now we'll add another image or sticker above the email text. Simply select the Centered at the Top position. Once the image is inserted, you can compose your email text directly below it as usual. This creates a beautiful, thoughtfully designed message with a warm focal point at the top. Here you see an email with two thoughtfully placed images or stickers, one centered at the top and another in the bottom right corner. This combination gives your message a warm, personal touch and makes the text even more impactful, perfect for greetings, congratulations, or special occasions. In the KUNOMAIL online shop, you'll also find a wide selection of image and sticker packs, as well as matching stationery for every occasion. This allows you to design your emails exactly to reflect your feelings and messages. Beautiful designs for every occasion. In the Images Stickers section of the KUNOMAIL online shop, you'll find many lovingly designed motifs, sorted into practical bundles for every occasion, whether greetings, congratulations, seasonal themes, holidays, or simply little tokens of appreciation. After purchase, the images and stickers are immediately available in KUNOMAIL and can be used directly when composing your emails. With just a few clicks, you can make your messages even more personal, heartfelt, and expressive. Thank you for your attention. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and now have fun designing your emails with beautiful images and stickers. If you liked the video, we would really appreciate a like. Thanks for watching. See you next time.